Okay, up for sale today from Great Used Auto Sales in sunny South Florida. This 2024 Chevrolet Trailblazer LS model. This one has an upgraded package. It's got all-wheel drive, backup camera, parking sensors in the back. Really nice package. Upgraded stereo system inside. It's got the 11-inch screen, I believe. Really nice features on this one. All right, let's go ahead and take it a quick walk around here. And then we'll take it panel by panel and show you the condition of the vehicle. The vehicle's in beautiful condition, looks brand new. Really nice shape. Okay, let's take a close look here. Front bumper, beautiful condition, very nice. Take a look at the lights. Lights are in beautiful shape. Really outstanding condition. Lower lights also look amazing. Grill's in beautiful shape. So nice, look at that. Take a look at the other headlamps. Lower light, beautiful shape. Hood's in beautiful condition throughout, look at that. Very nice shape, super clean. Really outstanding condition. All right, we'll take a look at the windshield. The windshield's in beautiful shape, clean throughout, very nice. Amazing condition. Really great shape, look at that. Okay, front fender on the passenger side, beautiful shape. Looks clean throughout, very nice. Front door on the passenger side looks amazing. Super clean throughout, very nice condition. Beautiful shape. Take a look at the rear door on the passenger side, beautiful condition. Really outstanding shape. Does have a little dent right there. I don't know if you can see it or not. There's a small dent right there. Take a look at the quarter panel on the back. Beautiful condition. Super clean. Walking around the back. Very nice. This one has parking sensors. Nice feature for this vehicle. With backup camera. And it's an all-wheel drive. Take a look at the lights. Lights are in beautiful shape. Hatch is in beautiful condition. All right, take a look at the quarter panel on the driver's side. Beautiful shape throughout, very nice. Take a look at the rear door on the driver's side. Beautiful condition throughout, very nice. Front door on the driver's side, very nice condition. Super clean throughout. Amazing shape. Front fender on the driver's side, beautiful shape. Really nice condition. Take a look at the windshield here. Really amazing shape, clean throughout. Very nice condition. Quick look at the roof. Roof is in beautiful shape. Don't see any dings or dents up there. Very nice. Super nice condition. Look at that. Amazing. Okay, that pretty much concludes our walk around on this one. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior. And then we'll take it for a quick test drive. We'll be right back. Okay, we're taking a look at the driver door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition. Look at that, really nice. Armrest is in beautiful shape. Take a look at the controls. Very nice. Power mirrors, power locks, power windows. Driver's seat's in beautiful condition. Look at that, really nice. It's got that stitching on it. And that piping on the edge looks super sharp. It is a manual seat. Rugs are brand new. Dashboard, stereo, everything looks amazing. Very nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the passenger side front door panel. Door panel's in amazing condition. Looks super clean. Very nice shape. Look at the armrest. Very nice. It's got some storage in the pockets there. Take a look at the passenger seat in the front. Amazing condition. Super clean. Dashboard stereo looks amazing. Very nice. Really nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the driver's side rear door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition, clean throughout. Look at that. Really amazing condition. Take a look at the rear seats. Beautiful shape throughout. Very nice. Look at that. Outstanding shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear passenger side door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition, looks clean throughout, very nice shape. Let's take a look at the rear seats. Really amazing condition, super clean. Very nice shape all the way through. Looks amazing. Okay, we're sitting inside this 2024 Chevrolet Trailblazer LS model with the upgraded information center. They usually come with a 7-inch, and this is an 11-inch, and it has the 8-inch for the actual cluster. So this is a really nice upgrade, and it is an LS, and it's an LS that has lock unlock, remote start, and panic on the remote. It's got a push button start, so it's a really nice feature on this one. Okay, starts right up. Look at that, amazing. Okay, so this one has 6,672 miles. This one's an all-wheel drive, which is a 4x4 or whatever. Right now it's on 2-wheel drive. You can put it on all-wheel drive if you'd like. Miles till empty there in the corner. Fuel gauge, miles per hour, RPM gauge, temperature gauge, super nice. And then this tells you the distance you are from when you're driving in the street. The car's in front of you, super nice. It's got the built-in compass there on top. Now there's a little bit of reflection on this screen. The reason is it still has the plastics from factory. Look at that. So as soon as you take that plastic off, you're not going to have the reflection anymore. So this screen has a reflection, and also this one, but this one also has a little tab. You got to pull that off. You can take that off the screen. Super nice. All right, so let's go ahead and put it on the home page here. Let's take a look at some of the features. Settings. Just click on settings there. And right now I went to apps, so audio. Let's see what audio looks like. All right, it's got all the features there for audio. And then vehicle. It's got the teen driver mode. You can set that up. The rear seat reminder, if you have a small child or whatever, you want to turn that on. Let's take a look at the safety features on this one. This one has all of them pretty much. Automatic emergency braking. It alerts and it brakes. Front pedestrian. It alerts and it brakes. Change lane alert, which is on. Parking assist, which is on. Rear backup camera with a parking assist symbol in the center. Cross traffic, super nice. So let's go back to home again here. Then go back to system. So that's the time, date, language, phones, Wi-Fi settings, vehicle to share. Super nice. Okay, so let's go back to home again. Then we have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You have to plug your phone in for that, but it does have those features, which is super nice. Let's look at the radio. Take a look at the radio right there. It's on FM. You click here on that, and it shows you AM, FM, XM radio, and add a device. So we can go back again. There you go. The phone, we don't have any phones paired right now, but you can pair your phone through there. And this is the information for the vehicle, the trip computer. You got cooling temperature, battery voltage, super nice. Maintenance, you see the tire pressure sensors, the oil life. Super nice. Okay, so that's pretty much the information center. Down below here, we're looking at the air conditioning controls. It's manual, but it's really nice. Down below here, we have the automatic shutoff for the engine. So if you turn that on, the engine won't turn off when you're at the light. Normally, the car cuts off after it gets temperature, where you can save some fuel. When you're at the light or whatever, it'll cut off. So if you press that button, that's a bypass. This for the lane alert thing, traction control. This if you want to put in sport mode, and this if you want to put in all-wheel drive. USBs right here to plug in. 12-volt power there. Really nice storage space down there. Dashboard steering wheel looks amazing. Everything looks brand new on this one. Take a look. 6,672 miles. Brand new vehicle. Very nice. In the glove box here, full set of books. Automatic transmission. Manual shift modes. You put it on L. You can shift it from there. Parking brake release. A little bit of storage there. Really nice armrest and a bunch of storage beneath that little tray. Look at all that storage on there. Super nice. Let's take a look at the steering wheel. Steering wheel's in beautiful condition. Take a close look. Very nice shape. Looks brand new. It's got a bunch of controls here for the radio, for the information center. All this for the collision alert front. You can set up the gaps or whatever you want. So we'll leave it further away. That way it gets a better alert. Super nice. So that I just pressed the traction control button there. I turned that on, turn it off. That's the lane thing up there on top. See, it turns on and off. So we don't want the traction to be on, of course. There you go. Turn that off right there. So the all-wheel drive, let's go ahead and click it on all-wheel drive. You can see the mode turns on down there. It's all-wheel drive. Super nice. So I consider it more to be like a four-wheel drive, because usually in the past all-wheel drive was always on. So this is nice. You can go to two-wheel drive or you can go to all-wheel drive. Okay, so those are those buttons there in the center. I just pressed them, tested them out. So we got front and rear wipers here. Let's check out the turning signals on this one. Super nice. Highlights. Amazing. It's got automatic lights, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Super nice. I mean, it's really well equipped. Up above here, you have your airbag for the passenger in the front, letting you know when it's on or off. OnStar, courtesy lights, look at that. They're really bright there. You have your vanity mirrors here on both sides. Nice feature. Let's take a quick look at the liner. Liner's in beautiful shape. Look at that. Amazing condition. Super nice. Really nice shape. Looks brand new inside here. Well, that's pretty much it. I mean, all we got to do is take it for a little test drive, and then when we get back from that, we'll go ahead and show you the tires, engine compartment, and storage area in the back. Okay, we'll be right back. We're gonna go for a test drive. Okay, so we just started our test drive here. We have it in gear, and we're good to go. Let's go ahead and take it for a little spin. This is so quick. Super, super quick. Look at that. Drives so nice. Brakes feel good. Drives amazing. Great steering. Super smooth. Stops on a dime. Really nice. Good acceleration. Turn ratio is great. I mean, it's really quick. Very comfortable. You get in and out so quick. Look at that. Just did a U-turn there. Super simple. Very smooth. See right there, the engine cuts off. Right now it's in engine off mode, so it saves a little bit of fuel. So when that little light comes on like that, it's letting you know that it turned off automatically to save you some fuel. But AC is running perfect. As soon as you let go of the pedal, it starts right up again, and you're on your way. Look at that. Super quick. Already go 40 miles an hour. Look how quick that is. And that the little car there on the top, it shows the distance, how close you are to the car in front of you. So that is another really nice feature. Pretty much that's our test drive. I don't really see anything else we can show you on the vehicle. We just got to do I want to show you the backup camera and the parking sensors, and pretty much that's it. So here we are. We stopped again at the light. And that little automatic engine shut off is on. So that means the engine just shut off a minute ago. So you just give it a second. As soon as you let go of the accelerator, it starts right up. There you go. Really nice feature. So now let's go ahead and find a spot that we can back up and you can see the parking sensors working on the vehicle. Okay, so put it in reverse. Super nice. Look at that. Got a large screen there, which is an upgrade on this LS. Usually they don't come with that. Super nice screen. I think it's 11-inch screen. Almost certain. Look at that. There you go. Now it's giving us illumination here on the rear parking sensors because of those bushes. And it comes up right on the cluster here. So you can see the alert. If you look here, it's got a little triangle letting you know you're going to hit something. So it's super nice. Okay, so let's go ahead and put it back in drive. Everything goes back to normal. The camera stays on for a little bit, and then it cuts back to the radio. Okay, so that's pretty much our test drive. So stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the engine, and then we'll look at the cargo area in the back and all the tires. So this one's really nice, has a lot of features. Really beautiful condition all the way through. We'll be right back. Okay, we're taking a look at the cargo area in the back. Amazing condition. Look how clean this is back here. Very nice. Really amazing shape. It's got a couple pockets here on the sides so you can put some stuff in there. Super nice. Down below here, you got your spare tire. Your spare tire and all the tools and everything. Look at that. Very nice. Really amazing condition. Beautiful shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the engine compartment. Engine compartment is clean and in beautiful condition. Look at that. Very nice shape. Really amazing condition. Clean throughout. All original. Look at that. Very nice condition. Super, super clean. Beautiful shape. Check out the emission sticker. Look at this. Really nice. Beautiful condition throughout. Amazing shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the front driver's side tire. Tire's in amazing condition. Look at the tread on here. Looks brand new. Rim is clean and outstanding shape. Let's take a close look. Really nice looking rim. Look at that. Very nice condition. Super, super clean. Continental tires all the way around. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire. On the driver's side, tire's in amazing condition. Looks brand new. Rim is clean and in outstanding shape. Let's take a close look. Rim's in beautiful condition. Very nice. Really outstanding condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire. On the passenger side, look at that. Tire's brand new. Really amazing condition. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Let's take a close look here. Really nice condition. Look at that. Very nice. Beautiful condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire. On the passenger side, amazing condition. Look at that. Beautiful tire tread there. Rim is clean and outstanding shape. Look at that. Really nice condition all the way through. Very nice. Okay, that's going to conclude our video for this 2024 Chevrolet Trailblazer LS model. Really nice package inside. All-wheel drive. Beautiful condition. Super low miles. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website for more information. GreatUsedAutosales.com. Thanks for watching.